Okay, so it's currently 8:32 a.m. and today is going to be the day where I start to improve my first robot, Curio. I want to give myself a challenge because I need pressure to grow, and I don't want to revert back to what I was doing before. I don't want to waste more time, so I want to give myself the same exact challenge, which is to improve my robot within 7 days. It's gonna be really simple. For day one, I want to sit down and think to myself, how do I want to improve this robot? And if I do want to improve this robot, what steps, what components, what do I need to improve it, and what would that look like? So today is just planning, sketching some designs, and once I do that, I want to just CAD. I want to create a CAD design and start 3D printing because I want to give myself 7 days. But in reality, it's not going to take 7 days. I want to just work as fast as possible, but I don't believe it's going to take the whole 7 days. But my plan is to create a CAD model today, and once I create that CAD model, tomorrow I'll go to a university and start printing it. But essentially, this is day one, and I want to improve this robot within 7 days, another 7-day challenge. So yeah, I will follow up this video at the end of the day. Yeah, so day one didn't go as expected. It didn't go as expected. I had plans for day one before I even decided to embark on this mission. But essentially, I went to get my hair done, got my hair done. It took significantly a lot more time than I thought. By the time I got back, it was around 5 something. And I was low-key tired. And then I just said I was gonna take a quick nap. I took a quick nap, or what felt like a quick nap, around 5, 6 something. And I woke up and it was around 3, 4 a.m. Yeah, I went to go take a shower and cleaned out my room. It's currently 6:41 a.m., but it's the next day, which is day 2. So day 1 was pretty much a fail. That's all I did was do some sketches, some designs. Today I will do the CAD model, but yeah, this is actually day 2. But to finish this up, day 1.